brand launch to us here at QVC, but this is a brand that has been around since 1943.
Oh, yeah.
Family owned, started in Chicago, but finally made its way to us here
Finally
at the
QVC, yeah.
This is Carl Buddig and Company. It's a sandwich kit that you're getting with 3 pounds of barbecue pulled pork that you see right here.
Yeah.
But guess what? You also get the 12 brioche buns as well.
Yeah.
So it's an entire meal ready to roll. You choose your toppings. You want pickles, you want slaw, you name it, but it's real, true, low and slow barbecue sauce, generously sauced.
Oh, yeah.
But brand new today. It's M133698. There's no auto delivery on this. It's $19 on an easy pay. 57 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sandwiches.
Lot of sandwiches.
For $57. Like, what did we decide? Like $4 and change?
Something
It's
like
crazy.
that. I know, it's
Sergio
crazy,
Bucciarelli
right?
is with us. He brings
Hello.
some of the best
How are you? Thank you.
the best here at QVC.
Thank you. Listen, Carl Buddig and Company has been a trusted name, like you said, since 1943. And we're finally here at QVC ever since it was started by Mr. Carl Buddig. And I'll tell you, this meat right here, this pulled pork, it is absolutely delicious. Cooked low and slow with that hickory smoke. And just look at how it's just soaking in with that delicious sweet barbecue sauce. I mean, this is pork that is truly, truly going to knock your socks off. And then, like you said, also from a fresh bakery out of Chicago, the brioche buns. So you're talking about 12 buns with all of this delicious, tender, juicy, mouth-watering pork. Anything you'd like to put on there, some coleslaw, some pickles, and you've got a soft brioche bun with all that beautiful American culinary delight, which is the pulled pork sandwich. This doesn't get any better than that, right?
There's nothing
Truly.
like it on the planet. Loaded up high.
Yeah.
It comes in 4 packages just like this. So what it was 4, 3 servings per package.
Super easy to make, right? You can either microwave those for 2 to 3 minutes or on a skillet for 5 to 7. Just look at how much meat you're getting.
I still have another. Hold
Look at that. Meat treasure right there. Look at that.
Meat treasure.
All the pulled pork. And again, we've been trusted since 1943. And this is straight from the stockyards of Chicago. And you get that tender, juicy, mouth-watering, sucking. Look at the strands, by the way.
Okay.
A lot of times, pulled pork, you'll get like chunks. This is shredded all the way throughout. So you're not going to like bite into a piece and go, gosh, like, you know, I feel like I just bit into a big chunk. This is shredded pork. Every single fork full, every single piece that you're getting, and you like to put it on there, that soft brioche bun made out of that egg. No, just look at that right there.
Oh my gosh.
And tell you what, put a little slaw.
Oh my gosh,
boom,
Sergio.
and you're talking my language right about now. Me, my family, every one of us, we love pulled pork sandwich. Look at that.
Well, have you ever tried to make barbecue pulled pork by yourself? It takes for hours to do it, first and foremost, just to like get it so tender that you're able to shred it at all. But then the shredding process is tedious.
It's so
but
true.
this is soaked in all of that sauce, plus you get the buns as well.
Yeah.
Brioche buns.
Brioche.
Do the buns come frozen also?
Everything's going to come frozen. So you thaw those out. They take so quick. I mean, I literally leave those out for 5 minutes. Those are thawed. Put them in your skillet if you want to toast them or throw them in a toaster, however you'd like it. You know, everybody's different. But you're getting that soft brioche bun from a bakery right outside of Chicago, and you get that delicious pulled pork. Look at how much barbecue sauce is soaked in there, right?
All right, you gotta hit me with some of this. I gotta try.
Yeah, I built you a sandwich right there. Take any one of those. Take this one right here. It's got some slaw on it, or if you want it without the slaw.
No, slaw's fine. Slaw's fine.
Take that right there.
Oh, there's a pickle too.
Check that out. I mean, beautiful, soft brioche buns.
All over my face. Oh my gosh.
God bless America. I love that right there, right?
Isn't that
the greatest thing?
Hand over my heart.
God bless America. I love it. Nothing like a pulled pork sandwich.
It is so tender.
It is so.
Sergio?
Yeah, I know.
There's a sweetness and a little hint of smokiness.
Yeah, hickory smoke, by the way. I love that you said that. That's hickory smoke. And I'll tell you what, it's super easy. 5 to 7 minutes on your skillet, or 2 to 3 microwave, and you've got a pulled pork sandwich that you are going to go crazy for.
So wait, do you have to defrost it?
You do have to defrost it. Yeah, you do. Take it out and defrost it, and then boom. Look at that right there.
You are getting so much here. $57 for 12 sandwiches.
I don't know how they're doing it.
I don't know how they're doing it either.
I don't know how they're doing it.
And you're getting 3 pounds of the meat done in amongst the 4 packages. But it's all done for you. It is just tender, it's juicy, it's saucy. I'm the girl who's like, a little more sauce, please. A little more, sauce me up. That's how I always feel when it comes to it. But this is perfect.
Put it in a skillet, just like so. Like, you know, and I'll tell you what, one of these, 3 servings. But if you're going to put toppings, or I like to put cheese on mine too.
Ooh.
You can get 4 out of it for sure. Or if you're going to eat it with a salad, you don't have to put it on there. But you have the options to do whatever you want to do with all of that delicious pulled pork shredded all the way through.
Do we have a fork up here somewhere?
This is beautiful.
Can I just try the meat on its own?
Look at that. Yeah, for sure. Grab that.
Is that all right?
Go for it.
I just want to like really get in there because the bun itself is absolutely spectacular.
It's all about the meat right there. Low and slow, hickory smoked wood. Just soaked in with that barbecue sauce.
In your mouth.
Yeah.
The barbecue sauce, there's nothing spicy about it. It just sort of like coats your whole mouth.
Perfect.
A little bit of sweetness to it. Honestly, I would make tacos out of it.
Oh my gosh.
Lettuce wraps out of it.
You invite me because I'm coming over for that. I love some pulled pork tacos.
Oh, I love pulled pork.
For sure.
On just about anything because it's so tender, it's so juicy. This is absolutely magnificent. It's a new brand launch, but a brand that's been around since 1940.
Yeah, 43.
Thank you.
And, and
still family owned.
Still family owned, out of the stockyards of Chicago. Again, you're getting those pulled pork sandwiches, a lot of them.
You're getting the buns too.
12 of the brioche buns.
$57 for 12 meals.
Bakery out of Chicago. This is the absolute best of the best.
$19 on an easy pay, no auto delivery. It's M13. I can't read it that far. M133698. I think I need readers. I think it's that time of that stage of my life.
That's
but that's okay. Brand new today. If you love pulled pork, I really do. If you love pulled pork, if you love barbecue, this is a must-have.
Yeah, for sure. You guys are gonna love this.
It's
I promise.
Good.
I promise you. Easy to make. It's what's for dinner.
It's what's for dinner.
It's what's for dinner. Family and friends.
It's what's for dinner.
God bless America.
Can I just say real fast that while I was walking tables, I want to know how many kiffles you actually stole off the table out there.
Well, I will tell you, I had 3 before the show.
You sure did.
And I'll tell you why, because they are